Hello there once again, and yeah, as you can see, we've got our hands on a collector boosters display to the pre-release start of this nice little adaptive, extremely expensive set. These collector boosters may include a serialized card. This is the Chocobo in a gold border, or maybe also the Japanese Chocobo in black, or one of the what was it? The chocobos with neon paint. That's the third category of rarity. And yeah, all the other cards that are in here, or maybe in here, it's nice. This pack is made in Japan, so we can expect a pretty good quality. This here is the serial number, like always. You can already read it. And yeah, let's see what will await us to this nice little piece of overflow of another setup that we have with Magic X Final Fantasy. We've got ourselves 12 booster packs, and now let's hope for the best. I don't know exactly how the setup is. Normally, from the cards that I've already seen, it should be we got the token in the front, afterwards the rare cards. So this one is one of the heroes as a token. Kuja, hero and a knight. We've got ourselves a Kuja in the full art. Garnet till Aleandras, whoever this is. We've got Vincent Valentine. Sephiroth, the fallen hero. Also full art, as I think we can put this here over here. And summon Brynhildr. And a normal card, so Wastes, Realm Reborn, with the Wastes as a full art land. I don't know whether this is a full setup, but let's go with it. We've got a Zidane, Summon, Side Quest, Quinoa, Quantum, a world map. I think the world map will run rather well in this setup. So, let's see, package number 2. This one seems to be not with a mythic. We've got a hero. Yecht, Reluctant Guardian. This one pretty much looks like one of the cards from One Piece, to be honest. We've got Thrasios, Triton Hero, as one of the foils. This one is a mythic with an M here. We've got Vernat and Yuna's Whistle in the full borders. Summon Esper Valiganmana, whatever. And Vernat once again. We've got ourselves a Swamp from, that's 14 Final Fantasy. Stolen Uniform, Side Quest, Ring of the Lucci, Eject, Resentful Revelation. Nice cards. So, let's see what we can pull here. So I don't exactly know which cards are with a high value, except for, no, and Kefna I think not. Throne of the Vestige, Lightning Bolt, always a nice card. We've got Yecht, Reluctant Guardian, Siegfried. So it seems pretty much always one of the main set, one of the commander set in full art. Genova, Ancient Calamity, we know this card. Louisiana Sacrifice, and the Mountain. Summon Choco and Mog. For the people that are playing Final Fantasy Rebirth currently, you can summon them there. And very, very nice cards. I really, really like this set. We've got ourselves a hero. Squall, Deceit Mercenary. And this one is one of the special foils, like you can see here. Very nice. We've got ourselves the Baron Revelry, the Deadly Dispute, always playable. Sion and the Summer Primal Odin. Cypher Money. Nice. Joshua Phoenix Dominant, and a Plains from Final Fantasy VII, the 7th Heaven. Vanille, Zidane, Ultimecia, Tidus, Sleep Magic. Yeah, I've played some of the games from Final Fantasy, but I still don't know all of them. Played the 7, the 8, 9, and I think the 12. But well, it's time I'll get. Oh, nice! Full art. Full art foil Jumbo Cactua. Yep, we can play with that. This is nice. We've got a Van, Aspiring Sky Pirate, Vivi, and a Kefka Dancing Mat. Maybe extremely expensive card as far as I know currently. We've got Triple Triad, Golbes, and a Mountain. With a Summon, Eden, Battle Menu, and a Blazing Bomb. Nice. Yeah, Vivi is already very, very good. This is nice. We can work with that. Got ourselves a hero. Full art Rebel Foil? Don't know. Definitely nice card. Tifa Lockhart. Baron Rivalry that we have here. Vincent and an Auron for these special foils. We've got Ultimate Magic. Theoretically, this counts towards this stable as far as I know, but it rather looks like this. Doesn't matter. From Father to Son. Nice. And a Forest. Trompo Argentum. Clash of the Icons. Summon Chocobo. Very nice. This is a good staple, what we have here. Got a bird. Another fracture foil. Or ripple foil, or whatever. Oh, nice. Very, very cool. We've got ourselves a Yuna. And this one is one of the most expensive cards as far as I know. The Ancient Cobra Dragon. So this one is a very, very nice set. The Buster Sword is a really, really cool card. Goes over here. And well, I think this will probably be better here. Emmet, Selch, Summon Valefor, and Summon Brynir, and a Forest. And yeah, this one also looks very, very nice. Zack Fair, the one that already died, all in the normal timeline. But then there's the alternative timeline. Interesting things to go. We've got ourselves a Cypher, a Wild Rose Celebration, Counterspell, very nice, we like this. We've got ourselves a Venat, also looks rather like this one, but oh, can't really tell anymore with these cards. We've got ourselves Chocobo Knight, Telegrid, and the Darkness Crystal, very nice card, and Plains. Summon an Elixir. Suplex. Suplex is also a good card. So, yeah, this pack already had some cool, nice little hits. We've got Triple Triad, Tymna, I think from the other card that we've just got, Espest Magistrate, and an Edgar. Full arts, Stelskin! Cool card. Zell Dinched, and an Island. Rufus. Bard's Bow, that's a cool card. So, let's see. Got ourselves a Midgar, City of Mako. Very nice card. A Brainstorm as Endwalker. Soldier Military Program. And a Firion. Okay. This one once again looks like one of the anime cards. And a Summon Knights of Round. This one is a very strong card as far as I know. So yeah, we've already got some of the hits here. Funnily enough, I just see the Chocobo as a bird token here. So, Dimasamune. As long as it has first dragon must be blocked. Fun little card. We've got Stroke of Midnight. This one is a really, really nice card. Destroy something. Golbes and the Wind Crystal. So we've got two of the crystals here. We've got a Sphere Grid. That's a nice one. And the Stoller Rule. At the beginning, you do something. So, Omega, a Summon, Sat, Galcat. Yeah, that's a nice little pack here. So, let's see. Because of the hero, Rauban, Finn the Fangbearer as a special artwork, Aiden the Usurper, Yuna, Summon Good Night Mock, and a Chocobo here. Nice. Another Wastes. Okay. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So, definitely nice little hits here. We've got far as I know. Oh, this one is also one of these ripple foils. Yuna, Tifa, this one is a normal, and Seed in the ripple foil. And these are the special artworks. So 4 of the ripple foils here, as far as I can see it. Very nice. We do have from this set very cool cards. The Timna is a good one. We've got the counter spell, the Buster Sword, the Copper Dragon. Yeah, this one is a really hard hit, as far as I know. Capillary Storm. The Lightning Bolt is very nice. The Tidus is a good one, and Lauren always playable. That's a nice one. Nice hits. We've got ourselves the Yuna. That's a good one. Golbest. Wind Crystal is a good one. We've got ourselves Edgar. Chocobo Knights. Cool fun. Vivi. Kefka is, as far as I know, rather strong, even at this price. Yecht. Yeah, here are not so much hits as far as I see. Yeah, let's see. We've got some good King Mok. Steelskin is a fun card. Ultimate Magic Holy. Cypher. Genova. Yeah, here's nothing, as far as I know at least. For here, Stoller is a good one. Knight of Rounds is strong. Darkness Crystal is a nice one. Father to Son. Bernard and a Realm Reborn. Oh yeah, so that's it. Thanks for watching.